Did you know that the IRS requires every business, small to big, even side hustles, to have a bookkeeping system? Well, it doesn't have to be as difficult as that sounds. It doesn't have to be complicated, and that's why I'm here today. So let me show you the 6 easy steps to set all of this up so that you can take that worry off of your mind. If bookkeeping has been one of those things that you just continue to push off because it feels stressful, I want to show you how simple it can actually be. Today we're going to break down bookkeeping down to 6 simple steps. The smallest steps possible so that you can feel confident that you are organized from day one. Okay, so if the IRS comes in, you got it, you're good. Why does this matter? Getting your bookkeeping started the right way protects your peace of mind. It prevents chaos later on. It makes everything easier because there will be taxes. There will be planning as your business grows. But most of all, it builds your confidence because you know where your business stands and how it's going forward. Number one, you need to separate your money, a business checking account and your house checking account, 2 different places. If you have a separate checking account for all of your income and expenses, this does not have to be a business checking account when you go to the bank. Just get a regular separate checking account. So this simplifies 80% of your bookkeeping right there. Separate money. Number 2 is decide how you'll track your money. Choose a simple system. Whatever you will use is what we want. It could be a pen and paper. It could be a spreadsheet. It could be an app. It could be a software. Whatever you will use is the best system. So it can be either. It can be any of those. It does not have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be paying $50 to $100 a month for QuickBooks. Step 3 is your chart of accounts. This is how we categorize in your books your income and your expenses. So that could be subscriptions, mileage, supplies, what kind of income you bring in. You could sell physical products and also sell a service. So we just make categories. You don't have to overthink it. Not every single thing you buy or take in income for has to have its own category. Simplified. Number 4 is start today. Start where you are. Start gathering the documents. Go back 3 months. Get your credit card statements, get your bank statements, and begin to highlight those things that were business related. Don't put it all because you didn't have it all set up to begin with. Just start today. Start where you are. Every day is a new day. Number 5 is probably one of the most important, and it is to start a weekly routine. Routines help me so much. Can you give it 10 minutes? If you can't, start with 5 minutes. But log, write down, put in your spreadsheet, type in your app, all the income you made and all the expenses you spent. And that is all you need to do. So thank yourself. Number 6 steps is celebrate what you have done. Celebrate that you are digging into the hard part of business. So many didn't start business to do all these numbers. But when you do, you know where your business stands and it gives you peace of mind. So number 1, separate your money. Start with a simple system. Find the categories that fit your business that you understand. Number 5, gather your numbers. Number 5 is build small weekly habit of getting this down. And then number 6 is my favorite, and that's to celebrate. You're doing better than you think. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to start today. If this helped you at all, that's why I'm here. That is why I'm doing this, and I want you to subscribe. I am here every Friday with a new bookkeeping, business setup, business mindset video for you to encourage you to keep going and keep doing the thing that you feel called to do. My website is where everything lives, and I am building a library over there for all the things to help you. So if you will leave me a comment, just let me know what your number one business struggle is when it comes to all the numbers and the bookkeeping, and I want to make a video to help you and all the others that feel the same way. I'm here rooting for you, and I will see you next Friday.